Hello and welcome to Always Audria. So today's video is different. So my daughter wanted to throw this away. She was cleaning out her room. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to look and see what's in this thing before we throw it away. So of course it's a zipper pencil pouch. I'd try saying that. It is of a soccer field. She used to play soccer. She played soccer for many, many years. So, let's just see what's in this. Sounds like pencils. Alright, oh, we got a plethora of things in here. I haven't looked at this yet. What is that? Oh, it's a pencil sharpener. Piranha sharpener. I need my glasses. Hold on. I hope you're all doing well today. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit that sublime button. Hit that subscribe button. And like, comment, share. Hype it. Yeah, all that stuff. You know, you have to do that. Okay, Piranha pencil sharpener with some shavings in it. What is this god-awful looking thing? What is this? Oh my god, what is that? Looks like something you would find in the woods in the movie Blair Witch Project. What is that? It must have been something that, like, YMCA Camp Made or Make or something. Let's just see if any of this stuff actually works. I'm just curious. Might as well clean it out too. And it still writes. I'm going to take that to work and people will be thinking I'm putting like curses on them. Oh, that's funny. Okay, what do we got next? We got your standard Sharpie highlighter. I need a mouth redo to see if everything works. Okay, that still works. Okay, and we got this. Live Justice. Oh, that clothing store Justice. What is that? Is that an eraser? I don't know what this is. Let's see if it's an eraser. Oh, that was kind of dumb. Okay, let's get a pencil. I just tripped myself too over the chair. That's got to be what that is. Yeah, that's an eraser. It's kind of grody though. Grody to the max. Who remembers that? Probably not a lot of people. Okay, these are some mechanical pencils. Ink. That's from Dollar Tree. Okay, that's cool. I won't go really, really slow. Oh, I think that's BTS. Okay, I think that's Jimin. Oh god, I can't remember their names now. That's not J-Hope. That might be V. I don't know. Oh, and they're different. But I think this is definitely a BTS trinket keychain thing. I don't know. She was really into K-pop though for several years. And we have another one of these. We have a Crayola yellow color pencil. Let me see if that still works. I know, it's a color pencil and it's going to work. I'm really thirsty right now, so I apologize. Oh, isn't this so cute? We paid $4.90 for this? Who did that? Okay, so you push on the little tail and it was cute. Push on the tail and the pen comes out. Somebody paid $4.90 for that? I hope it wasn't me. It still works. Wait a minute. Yeah, pen. Cute. I don't remember any of this stuff. Let's see. Live Creatively. Regular pencil. Another Crayola blue. Oh, apparently no, what is this? Cadoozles. Good job, great work. That must be something like a teacher gave her. It's a mechanical pencil. Okay. Crayola white pencil. Crayola, Crayola, regular Staples pencil, Crayola again. Oh, something's itching me. Another ink Dollar Tree mechanical pencil. This thing's tore. I don't think the bag is worth trying to save. Sharpie. Ooh, that's nasty. We'll throw that away. Look at it. Okay. That's all dried up and gross. So that's trash. Okay. Another Crayola, another ink, another regular pencil. Crayola, a neon pink pencil. It's not showing up neon pink on the camera, but it is bright. And another one of these. I don't know where she got the... Actually, I don't know where she got any of this stuff. This must have been like from junior high or grade school. Maybe junior high. She would not have carried this in high school. Okay, so another Crayola. Crayola. A Bic round stick red ink pen. Still works. Okay. And some of her hair. And we're down to the last little bit. Another Crayola red pencil. And another one of these Dollar Tree mechanical pencils. So, let's see what's worth saving. This is trash. It's all dried up. I don't know about that. That's kind of icky. This is not worth saving. It's all tore. Oh, there's something in there. We have a Bic pink highlighter. It still works, but it feels a little dry, like it's getting really close to drying out. And a ton of her freaking hair everywhere. Okay, so this is garbage. And I guess I could try to restitch it, but no one's going to use this. I don't know. Think about it, but this is definitely garbage. But this is my favorite thing out of the whole bag. I'm really thinking about taking this to work and doing some like at people. This is so kind of scary. What was this supposed to be? A broom? Maybe it was like Halloween time and it was supposed to be a broom. And this feels like wood right here. That's wood around a plastic casing. Yeah, that's my favorite out of all of it. Alright guys, let's see. Make sure, what time are we at? We're at 8 minutes. So, yeah, subscribe, like, comment, share, hype, all that good stuff. Have a great day, and this video is part of my 30-day challenge. So that fits perfectly in there, and it fell perfectly in there. Does that mean I scored a goal? Anyway, this is my first video that I'm making for my 30-day challenge. I'm watching my neighbor parallel parking next to my car, and yeah, okay, good, he stopped. Okay, so there you go. Video before this was explaining my 30-day challenge, so make sure you check that out as well. Have a great night, day, weekend, wherever you are. Toodles.